Now we will do a new topic. Determiners. What are determiners? Like adjectives, determiners also qualify nouns that they follow. Okay? Now, what are these determiners? In demonstratives, you have this, that, those, these. In possessives, my, ours, yours, his, hers, and goes on. Then in some, any, many, every, either, neither, a little, a few, and goes on. And finally, in the fourth category, articles. The definite articles, a and indefinite article, a and the definite article, the. So let's look at the new topic, determiners. Let's look at what are these determiners. Okay? Determiners. Like adjectives, like adjectives, like adjectives, determiners they also qualify determiners also qualify the nouns that follow. The nouns that follow. Okay. Now what are we looking at? We are talking about the determiners. Like the adjective, determiners also qualify. Qualify what? The nouns that follow. In the first category, let's see determiners. Let's see actually what are determiners. The determiners are as follows. The determiners are as follows. Let's look at A as demonstratives. In A as demonstratives. Okay, let us look at determiners as demonstratives. What are those words that come in? Let's look at, okay? As demonstrative, we have words like this, we have that, then we have these and those. And those. And the second one, as possessives. B as possessives. As possessive, let's look at all the determiners. As possessive, let's look at the words. We have words like my, we have our, your, his, hers, its, and their. Okay. Next we have in the fourth category, in the third category, some. Under this, let's see what determiners we have. Under some. Under some we have as any, much, many, each, every. Then we have either, neither, neither, little, a little, a little, the little, then few, a few, less, then we have fewer, both, we have both, all, a lot of, lots of, a large number, a large number of, then a great deal of, then a good deal of, And in the fourth category, we have, that is D, articles. That is, in the articles you have the indefinite and the definite articles. Okay, now the definite article, indefinite, the indefinite article, a, an. The definite article, the definite article the. Okay. Now, the determiners are like adjectives. The determiners also qualify the nouns that follow. Now, what are determiners? One, in the demonstrative, as this, that, these, those. In possessives, my, our, your, his, her, its, their. Then we have as some, any, much, many, each, every, either, neither, little, the little, few, a few, less, fewer, both, all, a lot of, lots of. Then a large number of, a great deal of, a good deal of. Then in articles we have the definite article, indefinite article a and an, the definite article the. So all these are determiners, and now we're going to see how we use them in sentences.